Hey guys and girls, thumbs up from me as usual. God bless you all. Welcome to my channel, The Real Life Festival Survival. And in today's video, it's all about the COGHLAND'S Trek 2 first aid kit. This is what I take with me when I go camping. So stick around and I'll show you what I got inside there. See you in a sec, guys. Welcome back to the Real Life Festival Survival channel. So as I was saying outside, I'm going to come inside, get it on the table and show you what I've got in here. This is the COGHLAND'S Trek 2 first aid kit that I'll take with me on a camping trip. Okay, which could be anything from an overnighter to a week or even more, depending. So like I was saying, I'll bring it inside, get it on the table. Wrapped around it, I've got the plastic bag just to keep it protected from the elements, keep everything nice and waterproof inside. And what I'll do is I'll quickly open the bag and show you what it looks like. At the back here, you can put it on your belt. As you can see, it's got a couple of little attachments here. You can put it on your belt, you can put it onto your, if you wanted to, you can put it on here, as you can see, on your backpack. And what I do is I keep it in the top compartment of my backpack. So yeah, it's got a nice zip right here, goes all the way around, opens up like a clamshell, and it reveals inside what there is on the inside. Okay, so usually I've got a pair of gloves here. You don't want to get your stuff full of blood, so the first thing you can get at is the gloves, which I keep in a little baggie. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly show you a little bit about the first aid kit. It's got two inserts right here for plasters and stuff. It's got a bigger insert behind these two inserts, and it has quite a large, going the whole distance behind those two first compartments. Okay, over this side it's got a zip kind of mesh bag compartment. It's got a zip right there. And what I'm going to do first of all is show you what I've got in here on this side first of all. There are things that I've added to this kit as well, and I'll put this stuff on this side, get it on the table and show you what I keep on this side. So in these two small front enclosures right here, what I keep is various size plasters, and it's got a moleskin. This is what comes with the kit, the different size plasters, adhesive bandage, and it does have a nice bit of moleskin there just for blisters. And what I've actually added is some gaffer tape on a little bit of plastic here. I've also added a one-use knife sharpener right here, which is really handy. I do have a Moira knife in my kit, so this is a one-off little use for knife sharpening. So it's a disposable little knife sharpener. You possibly might get two uses out of it, and then I could probably you know, file off the end and make it a striker, ferro rod striker if I wanted to. So these are the two items that I've added on these two little pockets, inserts here, and along with the plasters and the moleskin. So in this next pocket, the insert right here, basically I only had a couple of things in here, and it basically had the guide, instant guide to first aid. It's got one in French and other languages, so obviously I'll take that one out, or I could leave it in there. Actually I'll leave it in there just in case someone else finds it. And it does have, what I've done is I've put a sewing needle, if you can see right here, just see if it'll show you. I've added two sewing needles to this kit as well. I'll just quickly show you. right there. Okay, so there's 2 sewing needles that I've added to this kit, and there's 2 first aid guides right there. So in this insert, that's all was in there. That's all that was in there, these first aid guides. What I've actually stuck in this insert here was some insect repellent, mosquito and insect. So I've stuck a couple of those in there, and I've added also some skin closures, 5 sterile strips. So 2 of those go into this part here. Okay, moving on to the very large pocket at the back. So in the very large compartment in the back of the front 2, you do get a combined pad, 5" by 9" gauze pad, very large, well not very large, but a 5 by 9. That's what it comes with. And you also get, let me just count them, there's about 3 by 3" gauze pads there. Yeah, 5. So that's what it comes with, one large one and 5 gauze pads. So basically what I've added some scented wet wipes, a couple of those. Okay, just for, you know, just for a bit of hygiene. I actually could have stuck these in the hygiene kit, but I've got a couple of those in here anyway. You've got to keep yourself clean. And also a couple of face masks as well, okay, just for dust and stuff like that. So I've added these 2 items in this kit. So what this kit came with was the large gauze pad and the 3" by 3" gauze pad, and all this stuff here goes into the large insert there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the other side and show you what I keep in there. So on the right hand side of the open kit, you get a mesh pocket, large mesh pocket with a zip there. Okay, good size. What I keep in here, basically the gloves that came with the kit. I actually added another pair myself. So this is the gloves that comes with the kit. It also comes with a bandage right here. This is a triangular bandage, and it's got a safety pin in there as well. That's also what comes with the kit. And there's a few things here that I've added, and what I'll do, actually I'll just tell you what's in this kit. In this particular kit I've got some foot blisters right here, okay, for corns, excuse me, on your feet. Keep a couple of those in this little kit here. And within this bag here I've got a selection of stuff, from digestion tablets to diarrhea tablets to painkillers. There's also gastro tablets in here. I've got a few other bits in here. Let me just show you what else I've got in here. This is some hay fever tablets right here, and painkillers, some various meds here that I keep separately. And there's also got a bag in here if I need to purify some water. I've also got a couple of water purification tablets in there as well. Okay, so this is the stuff that I've added to this kit. And I've got another zip bag here, Ziploc bag, with the rest of the contents that come with the kit, but I've added also a few more things in here as well. So what I'll do is I'll take the stuff from this bag and show you what I've got in this bag here. So here we are, all the stuff that was in this Ziploc bag. I've taken them out, laid them on the table, and I'll show you the things that was in the kit and a couple of things that I've added as myself. So basically this medical tape was in the kit. These antiseptic towelettes was in the kit. You get 6 of those in there. And also Povidone, Iodine, USP prep pads, a couple of those was in there as well. And I've added, actually these were in the kit as well. These are Iodine cotton swabs right here. Q-tips in America. Okay, you've got iodine on them as well for cleaning out wounds. And I've added a couple of these, just add a couple of water and they expand out, expandable towels, really handy to have. So basically I've added a couple more bandages in there myself, 2 of those. So there's the contents of the Ziploc bag, another little bit of medical tape right here. So that all goes into this Ziploc bag. So what I'll do is I'll get all the stuff back in the case and show you again the case, what it looks like with everything back inside. Okay, so there we have it. Basically I've got everything back inside, and what I do is I just leave the gloves, the second pair of gloves that I bought, in a separate bag by itself. There is another set of gloves in here, a pair of gloves. So there you have it, guys. You've seen what's in this side, the different compartments. It's a very simple basic little kit, just with some stuff that I've added myself, and you know, just medication, other little extra bits of tape, other skin closures that I've showed you, the 5 suitures right there, 5 sterile strips. Okay, the only other thing I'd put in my camping kit with the first aid is some hand sanitizer. I keep that in the top pocket, and also, if you know, need be, I've got one of these head nets as well, just for mosquitoes and other insects, annoying insects, as you know, they annoy us. And also in this little container here, some talcum powder. Okay, so there we have it, guys. Thanks very much for watching the video. If you would like to, you know, leave a comment below, please do so. If you want to say anything that you would add or take away, please do so. But yeah, this is basically a basic kit with a few add-ons that I put in there myself that I'd go camping with. And thanks for watching the video. Hope to see you all in the next one. Take care of yourselves. By the way, my toe is a lot better. I'd say with a couple more weeks and it'll be really good to go. But yeah, I have been a bit behind on my videos, but you know, I managed to get this one done today. I've been meaning to do this one for a while after the camping bag loadout video. So basically this is the first aid kit that I'll take with me on a camping trip. So yeah, thumbs up, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. God bless. Take care. Hey guys and girls, welcome to my channel. As usual, a motorbike is coming past making loads of noise, and the background noise. Yep, and another car going past, another 2 cars going past. Every time I want to film, there's always something going on. Alright guys. It's all about the COGHLAND'S Trek 2 first aid kit, so stick around and I'll show you what I've got inside there. See you in a sec, guys.